Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Moto E6 Plus. Okay, so this is the 32GB model. I've just picked it up from Argos UK for £99. This phone is definitely worth the money. It's a nice budget phone with some reasonable specs for the price. So anyway, I've just taken it out of the box, so we're going to have a look and see how much storage we get by default. So this is the 32GB model. We're also going to take a look at the RAM. This comes with 2 gigs of RAM. So we're going to take a look at the default storage. As you can see here, the only thing is I've connected to Wi-Fi. I'm not even logged into the Google Play Store, so I've not downloaded any applications or anything. And these are all the pre-installed apps that come pre-installed. So I've not downloaded any applications or anything. I've only just taken it out of the box. So yeah, we're just going to see how much gigs we get out of our 32 gigs fresh out of the box. So let's go into the settings and let's go to storage. Okay, so as you can see there, 32GB. And the system is currently using 6.70 gigs. Okay, so the 6.70 gigs what's being used, that will be the operating system Android 9.0. And here you can see that the other applications is taking up 1.5. So let's have a look and see which apps are taking up the 1.5 gigs. So YouTube, photos, messages, Google Play services, Gboard, Gmail, Google Play Music, Google Maps, contacts, the camera, Motorola notifications, the settings, SIM toolkit, Chrome, Drive, Google Play Music and TV, calendar, Duo, calculator, clock, Google Play Store, Moto App Launcher, Files, Digital Wellbeing, Moto Help, Demo Mode, CQAT Test, and the FM radio. So all those applications there are using up the 6.70 gigs along with the system. So like I said before, that's the operating system Android version 9.0. So when you add the 5.2 that's being used by the system and the 1.5 gigabytes that's being used by the other apps what I just showed you. Hold on. That's being used by all these. When you add it all up, it comes up to 6.70 gigs. So that's how much we get fresh out of a box. We get roughly about 25 gigs. Let's just go back. Yeah, so we get 25.30 gigabytes free out of our 32 gigs. So now we're just going to take a look at the RAM. So this is the 2GB model. You might be looking in the settings to try and find and locate how to check the RAM. Well, with Android 8.0, they removed the option for you to see the RAM, to check how much RAM. It used to be around about here somewhere. But however, there's a new way where you can check it, on how you can check it. So just go into the settings and go to About Phone and scroll down to where it says build number and just keep tapping it until it says no need, you are already a developer, or now a developer, sorry. And then go back and you should see developer options, and from in here you can check the RAM. So here it is, 1.9 gigabytes. And here you can see what's using up the RAM by checking memory used by apps. And you can check the list there and see what's eating up all your RAM. So what's using up a lot of the RAM is the OS, and YouTube's using up a good amount as well. And you can check the hours. So within the last 3 hours, that's what's been using up the RAM, the Android OS, YouTube, Android system, Google Play Services, System UI, all those. And the last 12 hours, the last 6 hours. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you how to check the RAM and also to check the default storage fresh out of the box. If this helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment section down below, letting me know if you're going to get this device. Let me know all that good stuff. Also, let me know what device you have. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. Hit the like button, like I says. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out.